If you want to learn how to make Discord guild tags, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a guild tag on your Discord server so you can give your community a cleaner, more branded look. Guild tags can help make your server feel more organized and professional, and the process is actually very simple once you know where to find the setting. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the tag. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you have the right permissions to manage server settings. If you don't have admin access, you may not see all of the options we're about to cover, so keep that in mind before you begin. Next, click the server name at the top left corner of Discord. This opens the server drop-down menu where you can access different management options for your server. From there, look for Server Settings and click it. This is where Discord keeps most of the customization tools for your community, including profile-related options and server features. Once you're inside server settings, look for guild tags or server tags. Depending on your Discord version and what features are available to your server, you may find this under Community or Profiles. Discord sometimes moves these settings around, so if you don't see it right away, take a moment to check those sections carefully. The goal here is to find the tag creation area connected to your server identity. When you locate the tag section, click Create Tag. Discord will then ask you to enter a short tag for your server. Usually, this tag should be only 2 to 5 characters long, so think of something clean, simple, and easy to recognize. A short guild tag looks better and is easier for members to display or identify with, especially if you're building a branded community. After entering your tag, you may see a few customization options depending on what Discord allows for your server. If those settings are available, you can adjust them to match your community style or preference. This might include how the tag appears or how it is associated with your server identity. Take a quick look through the options and make any changes you want before saving. Once everything looks good, click Save. That final step applies your guild tag to the server, and after that, your new Discord tag should be ready to use. If Discord asks you to confirm anything else, just follow the prompts on screen and make sure the changes are fully saved before exiting server settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to make Discord guild tags in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but useful way to customize your server and make it stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.